Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again, tap on the switcher next to Vibrate Vocals to enable or disable vibrations. You can also tap on the switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable vibrations while device is muted. If you wanna adjust vibration on touch, tap on Vibrate on tap and pick one of the options. You can even turn it off completely by tapping off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!